In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Google Sites. Changing the font in Google Sites is a quick way to improve readability and give your pages a more polished look. We'll walk through adjusting the typeface for any piece of text on your site, and I'll share a few practical tips so your updates look consistent across your pages. First, have your site open in Google Sites so you can see the page you want to adjust. With the page visible, click the text box you want to edit. This might be a paragraph, a heading, a subheading, or any text block you've added. When the box is selected, you'll see a blue outline and the inline editing toolbar above or near it. Next, highlight the specific text you want to change. You can drag your cursor over a word or a sentence, or use a quick shortcut like Command or Control+A to select all the text inside that one box. The selection matters because only the highlighted text will adopt the new font. If you leave nothing selected, Google Sites typically applies changes to the active text area only where your cursor sits. Now look for the font drop-down in the toolbar. It's labeled font and it sits alongside options like size, bold, and alignment. Click that drop-down to open the font list. You'll see a set of web-safe and Google recommended fonts designed to display well across browsers. As you hover or click, your highlighted text will preview the change so you can quickly compare options, then select your desired font from the list. The change applies immediately to the highlighted text in that box. If you're updating several sections, repeat the same process for each text box. For a clean, professional look, stick to one or two fonts throughout a page, perhaps one for headings and another for body text, so the design feels consistent. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Readability comes first, so choose a font that's easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. If something doesn't look right, use undo to step back. And remember, Google Sites saves your changes automatically as you work, so you can focus on editing. That's it. You've learned how to change the font in Google Sites quickly and confidently. Keep your typography consistent and your site will instantly feel more cohesive and polished.